guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chef Adom. I'm very excited to meet you guys and I hope you are all doing good. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment box below. Okay, so today we'll be doing club sandwich. So let me take you through the recipe. So for our ingredients, we have here cheese, cheddar cheese. We have our bread. We have our butter or margarine. We have oil. We have our tomatoes, soy sauce, and we have chili ketchup, and we have vinegar. Before we have ketchup itself, then mayonnaise, lettuce, and chicken, a boneless chicken. And salt. So first we transfer our chicken into a bowl. Then we'll add in some salt. Maybe half teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add in our mayonnaise. About 3 spoons. Then we'll stir it. We'll mix it. Then we'll keep it aside. So now we're going to add in a little salt to our egg. Then we'll beat it. After this, we're going to fry our egg. So we'll add in a little oil into our frying pan. You spread the oil across the whole pan. Now pour the egg into the pan. So now our egg is ready. So I'll set it aside and I'm going to toast our bread. So now we'll add in a little margarine to our frying pan to toast our bread. So the margarine has melted. So we'll spread it across the pan. Then we'll toast our bread. So we'll turn the bread to make the other side toast. So we'll turn it again for the other side to toast well. So now we'll set the bread aside and cut our tomatoes. So now we'll put our bread, chicken and mayonnaise. We'll spread it on the bread. Then on this one we'll add in our chili sauce. And we'll spread it around the bread. Then over here we'll add our mayonnaise, a little of the mayonnaise. With the chili sauce. And we'll spread it. And on this one, come and put our cheddar cheese on it. We put the cheese on it. Then on this one, we'll take lettuce. We'll put some lettuce on it. Then we'll put one tomato on it. Then on this one, we'll put our egg. Put the egg and the tomatoes. Then we'll put this one on this. Then this on this. Then we're done with the clap sound. So now that the collab sandwich is done, mm, I'll serve it with Coke. But I can serve it with any drink of your choice. Now our sandwich is ready.